Welcome to my channel, and today's video I just want to share my newly found item. This is AT-PL30, an Audio Technica brand, and this is a belt drive fully automatic turntable. This button here is for the speed. On the right side it has the start button, cut button, and queuing button for up and down. This turntable has an issue. It has a crack, and on the inner part it has a lever for the size of your record. 30 cm for 12-inch and 17 cm for your 7-inch vinyl records. Audio Technica original stock needle counterweight. It is not adjustable. About this turntable, it has a built-in preamp inside, so I'm using here my Audio Technica speaker. The model is AT-SP121, and the connection here is directly to the turntable, because my turntable, this Audio Technica PL30, has a built-in preamp or a phono stage inside. Let's try to play some records by Beethoven, a classical record, and here it is. So that's all for this Audio Technica AT-PL30. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.